Good morning to all my students. Myself Samiuddin Ansari. Take out a new Radiant Readers Class 3rd book. Today I will start a new chapter, and the name of the chapter is Just Touch and Read. Chapter 15. Okay, take out page number 66. Here are some words which you will starting with the word ND, like kind, blind, behind. Okay. Do you know that even a blind man can read nowadays? Instead, he can read as well as you and I do. So, do you know that a blind man can read today as he can read? How we can read? Okay, how we are reading that, like this way he can read. You will be surprised to learn that it was the honesty of a blind man that made it possible. Here is how it happened. So here we feel very much surprised that we will come to know that honesty of a blind man. Okay, and how it is happened we will see. About 200 years ago, there lived in Paris a man whose name was Valentine. One day, as he was going to the market, he saw a blind man coming towards him. Being kind, he started to help the blind man. So about 200 years ago, there lived in Paris. In Paris, a man was living whose first name was Valentine. Okay. One day, when he was going to the market, he saw a blind man. The blind man was coming towards him, towards Valentine. Being kind, he wanted to. So he was very kind person, Valentine. So he wanted to help the blind man. He took out a coin and put it in his hand. He said, "Here, young man, this may help you a little." So he took a coin and put it in the blind man's hand, and he said, "Young man, this money will help you little bit." The blind man with a smile replied, "Thank you, sir. It's a very kind of you." Valentine was on his way, and so was the blind man. So the blind man with a smile said, "Thank you" to Valentine and said, "It is very kind of you." And Valentine was on his way. He went to his way, and the blind man also went to his way. All of a sudden, the blind man shouted, "Stop, sir, stop!" Valentine stopped and looked behind to find the blind man following him. So all of a sudden, the blind man started shouting to the Valentine, "Stop, stop!" So Valentine got stopped, and he looked. He was looking that a blind man was following him from behind. "So what is it now?" asked Valentine. "Sir, you have made a mistake," replied the blind man. "I'm sure you wanted to give me a sou, but you have given me 20 times more a franc." So Valentine said, "What is it now?" So the blind man said that you have made a mistake. You wanted to give me a sou. Sou means a French coin which was of low value, but you have given by mistake 20 times more a franc. It's 20 times more you have given to me a franc. Franc means a currency of a few country. Okay, like in India our currency is rupees. So Valentine was surprised. "How did you find that out?" he asked. "Well, just one feel of the figures on the coin, I knew what it was," replied the blind man smilingly. So Valentine was very much surprised, and he said, "How did you find out that?" he asked. He said, "Well, just one feel of the figures on the coin." So he said, "I can feel the figures on the figures on the coins, and I knew what it was." And he said, "I knew what it was." He was replied to the Valentine with a smile. So that's all. So your homework will be You will write this you will do this exercise 3 in your book. Okay, that's all.